Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make no sugar dates halwa. This halwa is very simple and made only with dates. Easy and quick and can be done in minutes. Let's jump into the making. First I am going to use 1 cup de-seeded dates. To make it soft, I have soaked it in warm water for 30 minutes. We are going to grind the dates, so this step is necessary. Once the dates is turned soft, add it to a blender and blend it to a smooth paste. Add water 1 tablespoon at a time and grind it to a fine paste. Use the water in which we soaked the dates. Do not waste it. It has some nutrients too. See now, this is the perfect consistency. We got a smooth paste. In a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. And then I have taken 2 tablespoons of nuts, more of cashew nuts and pistachios and almonds. You can add anything of your choice. Fry it for 2 minutes and remove it from heat once it is done. In the same pan, I am adding another half teaspoon of ghee and adding the dates paste. Let's cook it until the dates paste turns a little dry. See, now the dates paste looks dry. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix well until the ghee is fully absorbed. I am adding another teaspoon of ghee now. Keep mixing, do not leave it. Keep the stove in medium flame. Let's add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. It gives a nice flavor to this halwa. Then add the fried nuts. Fold it and mix it together. Add ghee only when needed from this stage. I am adding corn slurry made from 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/3 cup of water. This makes halwa like consistency. Otherwise your halwa would be like carrot halwa. That's it, we got the perfect halwa consistency. Keep mixing until it forms to a single mass. See the glossy texture, it got halwa like consistency, and now it separates from pan and also combines into a single mass. Remove it from heat at this stage. In a glass bowl, apply little ghee and pour the halwa in it. We need to set this halwa, so take a vessel appropriate for it. Level it nicely with a spatula when it is still warm to touch. Perfect for diabetic patients. Once the halwa is cooled down, remove the sides with the help of a spatula or spoon. And let's remove it from the bowl. See the beautiful halwa we got just from dates. It is non-sticky. Let's cut it. I'll show you the texture of this. We have just used less than 2 tablespoons of ghee for this. This is best for diabetic patients. Eat in moderation when your sugar levels are normal. Perfect substitute for regular halwa, and it does not use any flour. It got perfect texture of a halwa. Try this recipe and comment your feedback. Notes, ingredients and healthy playlist are given in the description box. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.